In 2026, orthopedic surgeons don't choose dealers just based on price. Hospitals don't retain dealers just because they carry big catalogs. So what actually makes an orthopedic implant dealer valuable today, and more importantly, sustainable in the years ahead? Let's break down what truly matters, beyond discounts, beyond distribution, and beyond volume. Welcome to Ortho Implants for Life, your one-stop destination for all orthopedic industry-related information. And today we will talk about what actually makes an orthopedic implant dealer valuable in 2026. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and industry insight purposes only. It does not offer legal, financial, or medical advice. Regulatory and business requirements vary by region. Always consult appropriate professionals. Why value has changed? For years, orthopedic implant dealerships competed on three things: inventory size, pricing, and reach. But in 2026, that model is under pressure. Price caps, government tenders, tighter regulations, informed surgeons, and hospital procurement audits have changed the game. Today, value isn't about how much you sell, it's about how reliably you support surgery. Availability when it actually matters. The first pillar of dealer value in 2026 is availability. Not theoretical availability, but real-time readiness. When a trauma case lands at 2 a.m., surgeons don't ask who gave the best quote last month. They ask one question: can you support this case right now? Dealers who are valuable are present when the case is urgent, unpredictable, and stressful. Same-day delivery, complete trays, backup implants without excuses. This kind of reliability builds trust faster than any discount ever could. OT, intelligence, not just inventory. Great dealers don't just move boxes. They understand operating rooms. They know how instruments assemble. They know which screw size runs out first. They know how surgeons adapt mid-case when anatomy surprises them. In 2026, the most valuable dealers anticipate problems before they happen. They don't panic when plans change. They stabilize the situation. Many large distributors lose accounts not because of pricing, but because OT support becomes an afterthought. This is where focused, trained dealerships quietly outperform giants. Trust beats exclusivity. A critical shift in 2026. Growth no longer comes from exclusivity, it comes from earned trust. Surgeons don't stay loyal because they are locked in. They stay because the dealer is consistent, ethical, and prepared. Dealers lose long-term value when they rely on over-discounting, undocumented credit, or free implants without structure. They gain value when pricing is transparent, billing cycles are respected, and commitments are honored. In a regulated future, reputation compounds, shortcuts don't. Regulatory discipline is now a competitive edge. In 2026, regulatory discipline isn't boring. It's business insurance. Missing CDSCO documentation, improper licenses, poor batch traceability. These issues don't just cause audits, they destroy credibility overnight. Valuable dealers maintain clean licensing, GST compliance, batch and lot tracking, and recall readiness. Hospitals and manufacturers increasingly favor dealers who reduce risk, not create it. Depth over spread. The most successful dealerships in 2026 don't spread thin. They go deep. Instead of covering an entire city poorly, they dominate a few hospitals exceptionally well. They know surgeon preferences without asking. They understand hospital workflows. They become predictable, and predictability builds confidence. True value compounds locally before it scales regionally. The big takeaway, value, is compound, not explosive. Orthopedic implant dealership value isn't explosive growth. It's compound growth. One surgeon at a time, one hospital at a time, one reputation-saving OT case at a time. In 2026, the most valuable dealers aren't the loudest. They're the most dependable. If you're building or evaluating an orthopedic implant dealership, ask a simple question. Would surgeons trust this dealer on their most difficult case? That answer defines real value in 2026.
If you have enjoyed the video, like it, share it, and if you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get notifications for all our upcoming videos. Join us to excel in this orthopedic implant industry and to know more about the job and career growth which is available in this industry. Thank you. See you again next week.